Welcome to the BB Star YouTube channel. Click on that little red button to subscribe to my channel to get the latest videos on how much your favorite YouTubers earn. And click on the bell notification icon to get post notifications and never missing any new videos. So how do YouTubers get paid? They make money by monetizing their videos with ads running through them. The money you earn depends on your CPM. And the CPM stands for cost per thousand. And CPM is the amount an advertiser pays to have his ads served against videos 1,000 times. It is calculated based on how many people watch the video and from where the people are watching the video. Many factors affect CPM, and these include demographics, content, gender, and time of watch. YouTube will also take 45% of your revenue from the advertising. In 2018, advertisers spent an average of $3 per thousand views. Now let's go over Alex Rebuild's YouTube channel. He currently has 140,172 subscribers. Total amount of views on his YouTube channel is 13,227,450. Now let's do some math and calculate how much money he's earned throughout his whole YouTube career. So 13,227,450 multiplied by a CPM of 3, which is 0.003, and you get $39,682. Now, of course, for this, YouTube gets a cut of the revenue. YouTube gets 45%, and this channel gets 55%. So you do $39,682 multiplied by 0.55, and you get $21,825. Daily subs is at 1,185, and monthly subs is at 35,544. Daily revenue. This is going to be an estimate. So daily views is 160,000. Monetized playback is 128,000, which is basically 80% of your daily views. So 80% of 160,000 is 128,000. At least this is what I noticed from my own YouTube channel, that 80% of my views became monetized. And basically, monetized playback is basically when you see ads on a video. So it's a monetized playback. And people that use ad blocker, they don't see ads, so the view doesn't become monetized. CPM is $3. So the daily income is monetized playback multiplied by the CPM. So 128,000 multiplied by 0.003, and you get $384. So now the monthly income is $384 multiplied by 30, and you get $11,520. Annual revenue. This is going to be an estimate. So the revenue is $11,520 multiplied by 12, and you get $138,240. Now, of course, with this, YouTube gets a cut of the revenue. YouTube gets 45%, and the content creator gets 55%. So you have to do $138,240 multiplied by 0.55, and you get $76,032. Now, Alex Rebuilds also has merch, and he sells a hoodie mostly. So he currently has 140,000 subscribers on his YouTube channel, and if just 1% of the subscribers buys a merch, that's 1,400. Now the average price is $60, which gives them a profit of $30. So if you do 1,400 multiplied by 30, that's an extra $42,000 per year just for merch. Now the total revenue, it's YouTube ad revenue plus merch. So YouTube ad revenue, he gets about $76,032, and merch he gets $42,000 per year. So in total, that's $118,032 per year. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know the next YouTuber you want me to do next.